Greetings, I'm Professor K, and welcome to the course overview for Linux Server Administration Made Easy with Hands-On Training. A little bit about me. I've worked in technology for over 20 years. I've been everything from a help desk professional to a networking consultant, ethical hacker, IT auditor, technical trainer, and online instructor. I have 2 master's degrees, one in cybersecurity and the other one is in information technology. Let's quickly get into the course overview. Our lab environment will be built using VirtualBox. VirtualBox is the hardware emulator that we're going to be using to create our virtual machines. In this lab, you're going to need 2 virtual machines, one for Fedora Server and the other one for Fedora Workstation. Now, this particular version of the Linux operating system gets updated quite a bit. At least every other month or 2 months, it's going to be upgraded to another version. The process that you're going to go through to create the virtual machines will not change. If you have any problems with any of the commands, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact your instructor. Now, everyone should complete section 2 of the course before making any final purchase. If you cannot create the virtual machines for the lab environment, then there's no need to enroll in the course. To be successful in this course, a student will need a host machine with preferred operating system of either Windows 7, 8, or 10, or a Mac machine, or a Linux machine. The student should have at least 4 GB of RAM, but 8 GB is recommended. You also need a system BIOS capable of supporting VT plus X virtualization, which is up inside of the system settings. You'll also need a good internet connection. Let's take a quick look at the course curriculum. You're now inside of section 1 and you're reviewing the course overview. In section 2, you will begin building your virtual lab environment. In section 3, you'll begin working with the Linux CLI. And for section 4, you'll do bash scripting. And for section 5, you'll do Linux server management. Now for section 6, you're going to be getting into the Linux web services. And for section 7, we'll talk about network services. In section 8, you'll learn about file services. In section 9, Linux log files, and then in section 10, monitoring Linux performance. So what are the requirements that you have to bring to the course? Well, you should have at least a basic knowledge of operating systems, networking principles, and IP addressing, and DNS. All my courses are dynamic, which means that they continue to be improved upon. And over time, I will be adding more lessons. So you need to come back to the course, and I will be sending out announcements and updates letting students know that there has been a new lesson added to any of my courses. You also have lifetime access to the course. And so that's going to conclude my course overview. Now, if you have any questions or concerns about anything that was presented to you in this short course overview, please do not hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in the next video.